Hey guys, hope you're doing well. It's your girl BOKE'S world. I'm back again with another video kama kawaida. In case you're new here, karibu sana. And guys, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. I'm so humbled. Thank you, I mean it. In case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I beg you, subscribe. So on today's recipe, we're going to cook tasty noodles and matoke. Yes, now let's go. This is our matoke. I'm going to peel them. Now let me show you how I use. Apply cooking oil so that after peeling your matoke, your hands will remain clean. After washing my matoke, I'm going to boil my matoke with the salt, paprika, garam masala, coriander spice, and pilau masala. Just that. For nodules, I like beef flavor. It's so sweet. So I'm going to use beef flavor, tomatoes, 2 big tomatoes, 1 big onion, 1 Rico cube, garlic paste. Then we have hoho, dania, and we are going to use cooking oil. I'm not going to use spices on the nodules. Fill your noodles with hot water. You can boil them as well. It's either you use water or you boil them. For me, I like using hot water. Yeah, it's up to you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.